This is John with Central Classic Cars. We have a beautiful 23 window bus here that's been fully restored. The customer in this case actually wanted power steering in this car because the old steering in these vehicles that's stock obviously doesn't have power steering. So we actually contacted a company called LiteSteer in Sussex, England, and all they do is rebuilt steering boxes with power steering units from a Toyota Prius, and it's an electronic steering system. So come on, we'll take a look. This is some literature and instructions how to do the install. And actually the unit is actually just mounted directly to the original steering box. This is the electronic power steering. It has a GPS, which is sensitive to speed. So as you increase your speed, it reduces the amount of power steering that you have, so you don't have hyper sensitivity. And obviously when you're in a park situation or driving very slowly, it has a high amount of power steering, so it's very easy to turn. In fact, we're probably going to shoot a little video just to give you a feel for how easy this thing is to turn. It's working wonderfully. We're really happy with it. Now that we've got the car outside, we're actually going to take it and show you how easy this system is to use. I'm going to do a complete U-turn right now. You can see how simple this thing is to get this car to completely turn, to replicate what you would have in a parking lot. Now I'm going to throw it in reverse. Again, this really nice and smooth to operate. I'm literally using one hand to make this turn. As you build speed in the car, there's a GPS sensor that measures how fast the car is going, and it reduces that power steering so you're not overly sensitive at higher speeds.